my name is Mrs. HD, and I will be teaching a social studies class that you have this year. So, yay, social studies, woohoo! I am a Jedi teacher, obviously, and I have a couple different classes. So I have sociology, world religions, civics, I have world history, and world geography, and I think that's it for this year. So, those are the classes that I have. So if you're getting this email with this this video, you either have one of those classes with me, or you're a parent or support person of a student who has one of those classes with me. And this is Christian, who's chiming in to say hi. He's actually my reason that I started doing Jedi, because I wanted to be home with him. And I wanted to continue teaching too, so I'm really happy that I have had this opportunity to be a teacher with Jedi and to be able to be home with him. So, I introduced you to Christian. I also have Derek, who he is also one reason that I like to stay home. So these are my guys, and they keep me on my toes. So because of that, I don't do a lot of my work during the daytime hours because I'm pretty busy keeping these crazies, stop please, in check, and I do pretty much most of my work at night when they're in bed. So I have the online teaching that I do at night when they're in bed, and I also actually have a sewing business that I work on at night when they're in bed. So I get to stay up really late to make sure I get everything done all the time. But I do check my email every day, and I do keep up with the grading. And if you do need something, you just email me is really the best way to get a hold of me, because I don't often get a chance to reply during the day, but I definitely will check it and reply at night. I think that's the biggest stuff. A little bit more about me. I am located in the greater Whitewater area, and I was a teacher in the Whitewater School District for 5 years. Now I'm starting my 4th year with Jedi, and actually it was 10 years ago in the fall of 2008 that I started my career as a teacher, and that was a classroom teacher up in Green Bay. So, what else? I love Harry Potter, and I love reading and books, so if you ever have books that you're reading and you want to share because it's really something that you're enjoying, please do, because I love hearing book recommendations. I'm just finishing up the Percy Jackson series, and also the series that came after that, the Heroes of Olympus series. So I'm big into the juvenile fiction, reading stuff, young adult literature. I like that a lot, but I'm willing to check out a lot of things. So I think I'm going to wrap at that, and I am so looking forward to working with you, and please let me know if you need anything. Other than that, this is Miss HD, and I'm signing out.